Hello fun and learning student of class 8th. In this video we will discuss other important topic of this chapter. So the first topic of the remaining topics is your International Court of Justice. Now let's take what is it. International Court of Justice, which is commonly is known as ICJ, is the judicial wing of the United Nations. It has 15 judges all from different countries all around the world, and the judges are elected by the General Assembly. Their term is 9 years, with 1/3 retire every 3 years. The headquarters of this ICJ is at The Hague in the Netherlands. Now let's take in which field this International Court of Justice works. The International Court of Justice hears disputes between two or more member countries and gives its verdict. It also provides legal advice to the other organs. So in the matter of international affairs between two countries, International Court of Justice hears their disputes, problem, and the matter relating to them. So this is the function of International Court of Justice. Now let's take Economic and Social Council. So the Economic and Social Council look after social, economic and cultural activities of the United Nations. It works for the social and economic welfare of the people. This council has 54 members, with 1/3 retiring every 3 years and being replaced by new members. And some specialized agencies of the United Nations, which you all have heard the name of it also, like WHO, World Health Organization, UNICEF and UNESCO, work under its supervision. That is, they work under the supervision of Economic and Social Council. So this is your Economic and Social Council. Next is your Trusteeship Council. Now, this Trusteeship Council was formed to work for the 11 trust territories which were formed just after the Second World War, and to take these 11 trust territories to their self-sufficiency for their independence. This is why this council was formed. But now all these countries are free. Now they are free. Hence now this organ is now redundant. That is not working at the moment, no longer. So this is your Trusteeship Council. Next is your Secretariat. The Secretariat looks after the administrative work, and it is headed by the Secretary General. It carries out the day-to-day work of the United Nations. Now, what are its work? Number one, it prepares the minute of the meetings. Preparing minutes of the meeting, which generally held in the United Nations. Secretariat prepared the minutes of it. Translate speeches and other documents into the official language of the United Nations. That was the 6th official language that we have discussed. Organizes international conferences. Prepare report on issue of international matters concerned, and monitor the extent to which the decision of the different United Nations bodies are being carried out. This Secretariat is headed by the Secretary General, as I have told. So this is your work of the Secretariat. So we have seen the organs of the United Nations, 6 organs, and their functions. We have seen it. In next video we will discuss other remaining topics of this chapter. So thank you student, thank you very much.